Hi, it's Sergio from Raytac Corporation. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to have your firmware loaded into Raytac's USB Type-C dongle MDBT50Q-CX It's very small and user-friendly. You can simply execute DFU by plugging this dongle into your computer or laptop without the need of any accessories. Now I will show you how to plug the dongle into your computer. Press and hold the button on the MDBT50Q-CX While holding the button, plug the dongle into your computer's USB Type-C port. Release the button after the LED starts a breathing light pattern. The dongle is now successfully connected to your computer. Now, you will see how to upload your firmware into MDBT50Q-CX Step 1. Launch the Nordic Programmer tool in the nRF Connect desktop application. Step 2. Click on Select Device, then click on Open DFU bootloader. Wait for the computer to read the dongle and display the memory report. Step 3. Click Add File to load the firmware you want to program. Step 4. Click Write to start programming the firmware onto the dongle. The Nordic SDFU process will start as shown on the screen right now. Step 5. The firmware update will be completed and the following message will appear. Then click Close. The process is now completed.